How to fix too many attempts login error. If you have this error message while trying to log in, this simply happens due to you trying to log into your account and having multiple failed attempts. Now in this situation, what you first need to do is avoid spamming. Do not keep clicking on the login button and make sure that you have entered in the correct credentials. The second thing that you can immediately do in order to solve this is try to switch your network. So if you're currently using a Wi-Fi, you can try switching to a cellular data and vice versa. The other thing that you can also do is use a different device. If you're currently using the mobile app of Roblox, you can try logging in using the desktop version or the desktop application, or also using the web version. By doing these steps, you should be able to bypass this issue. If you're still having issues with it, and let's say if you're trying to log in and want to log in using your mobile device, what you can simply do is try to clear out the mobile cache. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on clear cache. Now even after doing all these steps, you're still having issues. What you simply need to do is wait out 15 to 30 minutes, as this is a temporary security lockout. So if you just wait out a couple of minutes, usually about 30 minutes, the issue should be automatically solved. So if this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.